It's covered in balloons! What are we gonna do? What's that? Oh, thank you very much, sweetheart. Tiny little piece of paper she found.
I fell right on my gum.
Trees outside.
Guess what? My friends are gonna come and trick or treat, and even Shay.
Oh yeah?
And Paige and Reese, and I didn't even see them. Not even